In this video, you'll learn how to add Cosmos to your Trust wallet. Following these steps will enable you to purchase and manage Cosmos directly within your wallet application. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate into the Google homepage. This is essential as you will be searching for the Trust wallet extension from here. Once the page loads, you can proceed to the next step. Next, in the search bar, type Trust wallet extension and hit enter. Look for the official Trust wallet extension in the search results. It is important to ensure that you are selecting the correct extension to avoid potential scams or phishing sites. After locating the Trust wallet extension, click on the link to access the extension page. This page will provide you with options to install the extension if you've not done so already. Follow the prompts to install it, and once installed, you should see the Trust wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Once you have the extension installed, click on the Trust wallet icon in your toolbar. This action will open the Trust wallet interface. If prompted, sign into your account using your credentials. Completing this step will give you access to your wallet. After signing in, look for the option labeled Fund within the Trust wallet interface. This option allows you to add funds to your wallet, which is necessary for purchasing Cosmos. Click on Fund to proceed. Next, click on the button labeled Buy Crypto. This will direct you to the section where you can buy various cryptocurrencies using your preferred payment method. Ensure you are aware of any fees associated with the purchase. After accessing the Buy Crypto section, you will see an option that says Choose a crypto. Click on this option to view the list of available cryptocurrencies that you can purchase through Trust Wallet. In the search field that appears, type in Cosmos. This action will filter the list of cryptocurrencies to show only Cosmos-related options. Be patient while the results load, as this may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the search results are displayed, carefully find the specific Cosmos option you wish to choose. Ensure that you select the correct one to avoid any errors during your purchase. After identifying the correct Cosmos option, click on it to select it. This will allow you to proceed with the purchase process. Next, you will need to type in the amount of Cosmos you want to buy. Be mindful of your budget and any associated fees that may apply to the transaction. Double check the amount before moving forward. Finally, click on the button labeled Continue. This action will take you to the confirmation page where you can review your purchase details. After confirming that everything is correct, you can finalize the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.